Hello everybody, welcome to my unedited beauty Walmart beauty box unboxing for, I think this is the spring. It might be a little bit late. The only thing that you pay for this is shipping, and it's $5, and everything else is for free, but you do have to pay shipping, so it's not free. It's $5. They will remind you that they're gonna send you the box, so in case you change address or such, you can change it, or it's just a reminder that they're going to charge your card or wherever, however you bought it for the new season. It is seasonal, so it is spring, summer, fall, and winter, I believe. So this is the spring. So we're going to go ahead and open it. It says, embrace your beauty, rated review. So let's go ahead and open it. Woohoo! Rembrandt 3-day whitening boost kit. This is very interesting. This is whiter teeth in 3 days. Maximum coverage, whitens front and back of the teeth. Same enamel, safe ingredient, dented use. Very nice. I've actually had bought the black diamond or something like that tooth thingy that I was going to do a review on, and I haven't done it because I'm very lazy. And I'm a mom of 2 and a baby. So I'm very excited for these. These look like strips. Very nice. So the next thing that the box has, that we're gonna go over here, woohoo, is this Impress Press-On Manicure One-Step Gel. Oval edition, super holds, no glue needed. The designs is beautiful. I like it. Very nice. All right. The next thing here is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk. And this is 1 ounce sample exfoliating body polish. Very nice. I haven't, is this a new thing? I never seen it. Looks like there's 3 kinds. And we got the blue one. Yes, very nice. Okay, next. We got the Hello toothpaste. I have, excuse the nails that I have. I should put those on. I have tried the Hello toothpaste before, but it was like the other, looked like cardboard box kind of design. And this one looks like it's a different one because it says it's for whitening toothpaste. Can you guys see? It's the whitening toothpaste. So maybe this would be different. I did not like the other one, but we'll give it a try. The next thing is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion Sheer Hydration. I have tried this one. It is amazing. Do recommend. It's the blue lid. The next thing here is the Soap Earth Blends Moisturizing Body Wash. Nice. Let's get to smell it. Let's see. This one smells delicious. This has coconut and some other dragon fruit or something like that. I will try it. This smells like delicious. The next thing here, I think it's just infomercials from Halls Blends. We probably have something in there from the Rembrandts. Ooh, an acai berry revitalizing sleeping mask. Ooh, very nice. I like this box this time. In a nice and easy collateral. It says free box of hair color. Ooh, I do not color my hair. So I'm probably going to give it to my mom or to my sister for a free box. That is very nice. And it has like a little rubber band or a little thing for your hair or your hand. Very nice. A little infomercial for the Hello brand. Oh, look. See, here's all the other ones. It looks like they have a kids one. Interesting. And then the one for the soap. Ooh, they have a soap bar. Nice. And here's the one for the whole blends. And these are the foil sample things. And it has gentle shampoo and conditioner. Wow, overall this box is amazing. Everything is very nice. Very amazed with all the things that it has. Very excited for the tooth thingy. Whitening. And all the samples are very nice. I do like today's spring box Walmart beauty box. If you like these videos, comment down below. What was your favorite item of the box? Remember, Walmart amazon.com/beautybox is, I think, or you just go on my description box and you'll find how to get in there. $5 shipping. The box supposedly is for free. If you like my video, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And if you already did, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time with an edited video. For this one, I did not add my intro and my outro because I wanted to get it out for you guys to see. And thank you guys. Goodbye. Subscribe. Go to the bell and click it to remind you when I have a new video. Go to my Instagram. Bye.